Hello and welcome to this quick video showing you how to download Promethean ActivSuite. Promethean ActivSuite is a PC or Mac based program that you can download for free to use on your devices that are plugged in to a Promethean Active panel. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is navigate to a browser of your choice. I'm using Edge, but you could use Chrome, Safari, whatever you'd like to use, you can use it, and find your way to Google.com. So go to Google and type in Promethean support. You see I've typed it in quite a few times before, and search, and you'll be presented with a number of choices. What we're looking for, you can jump into Promethean support here, or if you can see a downloads option, which is under here, you can click on here, but we'll do it the long way just to show you. So go to Promethean support, wait for the page to load, and there's your downloads option there. Click on downloads. Scroll down past all the latest updates until you find the options that has the picture. So it shows you the latest piece of software and the latest download. You'll see Promethean ActivSuite is related here. Depending on your ecosystem, what you're downloading, you choose either software package for Windows or software package for Mac. Now I'm on a Mac at the moment, so I would choose Mac, and then I would download it. Now, depending if you're using a Mac, then you would use, again, you would have to check to see what kind of Mac you have. If it's a slightly older one, it'll be an Intel, and you're downloading the one that has x64. If it's a slightly newer one, that mine is here, it's the ARM64. And you click on here and you press download. If I was using a PC, which I appreciate I'm not at the moment, you do the exact same thing except click on Windows. And again, you need to check your version of your PC, but essentially no matter what you're using, you should click on the one that has x64. You'll see yourself the ARM64, well, that one there, the top one, is to do with whenever you're pushing this out on a server, which you're probably not. So it's the one that says x64. Click on it, press download. Okay, then that will download into my download folder. You can open that up directly on your Surface Pro, on your desktop, on whatever Windows device you want to use, or of course if it's a Mac or a MacBook or an iMac, you can do the same thing. If I go into my downloads are in here, as you'll see, there it is there. I would double click on that file and that would install the software for me. Very quick. You keep pressing next and that'll install. This is the Windows version. It won't work on mine because I'm using the Mac at the moment, but the process is exactly the same. Click on it. When it finishes, you will get this icon here. It'll be sitting in your desktop somewhere, no doubt, and you can drag it on to your taskbar along the bottom, either on a Mac or on a PC. But when you click on it for the first time, and I'll close this all out so you can see it a little bit clearer, this is what you'll see. It'll say Promethean ActivSuite. It'll ask you, do you want to sign in or do you want to use the whiteboard? You can use the whiteboard as a guest, but sign in is definitely the better option. So when you go to sign in, it will offer you the option of signing in. My advice is you go to either sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft. Either or will work. If you're on a C2K computer, either of these should pick up your C2K email. So there's a couple of my emails here. What you'd see here is very likely to be your C2K email. So click on that. It usually won't ask you for a password. In fact, it rarely ever asks you for a password. It may ask you, if it's the first time you're doing this, to fill in some information, as in, what would you like your name display as? Mine says Stuart Montgomery. It could be your initials, or Mrs. Jones or Mr. Smith or whatever. It may ask you for your role in the organization, so teacher or an IT admin. It doesn't matter what you choose, so choose whatever one you want. And it'll ask you for your language and your location as well. If a box comes up and it will say along the top here, would you like to open this, as a wee tick box basically, for your preferences, give that a tick before you click accept. You'll only never need to do it once. It just means it'll stop having to come up every time you sign in, because this will sign in automatically for you when you now open it from now on. If I was to close this, if I was to close ActivSuite completely, just up here, I've closed it, the next time I open it up, it will sign me in just like that, and that's the same for you. Now you can sign out. Click on here, you can go to sign out, and then you can re-sign it if you want to, but that's it installed. You can use all the apps, away you go, and any questions, my contact details will be in the description. Thanks for watching, bye for now.